welcome back to Happy Streamers. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change your Discord name. Now there's two ways of changing names, honestly. One is your server nickname, so if I click on myself right here and then click on edit server profile, I can change my name over here. Let me just put my name to tech like that, yeah? And then if I put save, as you can see, that's my name, but if you click on it, this is my original Discord name. Now, in order to change my original Discord name, all I want to do is go to my account, press on edit. Once we press on edit, we just want to put in the name that we want. Tech 8. Yeah, we'll put that. And then I'm just going to put my password in. Honestly, I don't even remember what the password is, but we'll just try something. Okay, we got the password right. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. Now you can see my name has been officially changed. It's as simple as that. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.